The ultimate goal for artificial intelligence right now is the autonomous agent, systems designed to independently chain tasks, operate tools, and route information in the background without human intervention. For these autonomous workflows to feel useful, that background decision-making has to happen almost instantaneously. This timeline shows the biological limit of human perception. The critical boundary sits at exactly 150 milliseconds. Anything slower, and our brains register it as lag. Current AI agents rarely meet this standard, often taking multiple seconds to process even basic multi-step workflows. As long as these systems carry a multi-second delay for every action, they remain clunky novelties. They only become frictionless assistants when they finally match human reaction times. The cause of this delay is structural, rooted in the auto-regressive architecture used by nearly every modern language model. This animation shows the bottleneck. An auto-regressive system builds output by predicting and generating one unit at a time, moving strictly left to right. As background tasks stack up, waiting for this one-by-one process creates a compounding time debt. Real-time autonomous agents are a mathematical impossibility as long as they are tethered to an architecture that predicts language sequentially. A startup named Celeris is abandoning that sequential structure to solve the AI speed barrier. To do it, they borrowed a core concept from AI image generation known as diffusion. Instead of guessing the next word, diffusion works through denoising steps. It refines a block of noise, rendering multiple positions at the exact same time. Generating output across parallel steps bypasses sequential time debt, constructing the entire response at once. This massive mathematical overhaul of language construction represents a scale of change far beyond a simple software update. The resulting performance is stark. The Celeris architecture consistently crosses a generation rate of 1,600 tokens per second. When placed directly against leading frontier models, this represents a speed increase of roughly 15 times. In practice, this allows the system to complete a full response to a complex prompt in under 1 second. For short queries powering background AI agents, responses now arrive in roughly 150 milliseconds. By hitting that specific mark, Celeris has effectively eliminated the perception of lag from AI interactions. Achieving this generation rate requires a specific trade-off in the model's accuracy. On standard benchmarks, the Celeris model achieves roughly 76% accuracy, while advanced competing models reach the low 80s. While this gap is notable, exchanging the few percentage points for a 1,500% speed gain provides a massive advantage. This is a deliberate engineering choice, prioritizing rapid reaction time over maximum intellect. Because of that focus, Celeris is not intended for writing essays or generating long-form creative text. Its true purpose is dominating short, structured tasks, extracting data, classifying inputs, and routing information inside broader agent workflows. If these diffusion models scale, they will serve as the lightning-fast nervous system for software applications, leaving heavy thinking to the slower, more accurate models. The competition for autonomous AI has moved beyond raw intelligence. It now favors the system with the fastest reflexes.